Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open your iMovie project and confirm cuts, audio levels, and titles are final. You want a clean source. Next, choose File, Share, then File to export. Pick resolution and quality that match your intended viewers. Select a codec and compression setting that balances size versus clarity. For web links, 1080ph, 264 usually works. Finally, set a clear file name and export location so you can find the file immediately once done. This avoids delays in the next step. Once the file is exported, sign into your chosen host, Google Drive, Dropbox, iCloud Drive, YouTube, or Vimeo, depending on whether you want streaming or file download. Upload the movie and watch the transfer until it reaches 100%. Make sure your connection stays stable, because interrupted uploads create corrupted files. After upload, set privacy. For a simple link, choose unlisted or anyone with the link. Make sure thumbnails and playback options are correct before generating the shareable link. Now generate the shareable link or embed code from your host's share menu. Copy it to your clipboard. Once done, test the link in another browser or device to verify playback, buffering, and permissions. Make sure captions and audio are intact. If you need embed code, paste it into your site or LMS. If something goes wrong, re-upload a smaller file or change privacy settings. In many cases, reducing resolution or switching from private to unlisted fixes access problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.